What's up guys? Engineer here. Today I am going to show you how you can quick and easily add Subscript in program Microsoft Excel. Don't worry. Thanks to me this won't be your problem anytime again. Okay? As first, go to text that you want format and mark it by your left mouse button. In your case, when we have chemical formula of water, it will be number 2. Then go up into font section and click this little arrow on a corner. Then move right over there into effects and select Subscript. Good job! As you can see, there are many other settings sections for text editing, just like font, size and so on. Next, select OK button to confirm settings. Here we go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Goodbye.